lost in a city dream, and I was at home again beside the stream. Then you walked past me, and you saw me and smiled. I will never forget the first time when I saw you. I thought I lost my
Just out on the coastal path. It's a beautiful day, a little bit sunny. Make sure I put on some sun cream, don't burn. And let's go climb some mountains. I've just finished the coastal section of the walk, and I have 2.5 miles until I reach the summit of Gotfell. So I've been walking for about half an hour now, and just have a quick change of clothes and then continue on. So I made it about halfway now, filled up my water bottle again, just so I've got some water for the morning. Going to be wild camping tonight, and now I just do the second half of the ascent. So yeah, let's have fun. And I hope that's not boring really, kind of interesting, but yeah, it's been a good walk so far. The sun's come out, it has been out all the time, so not sweating too much, which is nice. So let's just have a look at where I'm going to be. Just over my shoulder is where we're heading to, top of Gotfell. Let's just see if we can get that in focus for you. Yeah, it's a beautiful day today. A little bit of cloud, a little bit of sun, so you don't get too sunburned, but it's not raining. I don't want to jinx it. No one likes raining when they're walking. To the top of Gotfell. It was cloud free when I set out, but unfortunately the weather is coming, which is a great shame, but still there's a view of the sea over my shoulder, which is quite nice, isn't too bad. Now going to carry on down the ridge line, covered in clouds unfortunately at the moment, but carrying down there, find myself a nice little place to camp for the night, get some food, and I'll catch up with you there. and yeah, time to get some food on. We've been walking for about 7 hours 20 minutes since on my watch. But first of all, let's have a quick look inside. Got my steam bag inside, got a Trekology pillow, and then I've got all my bits and bobs in here. Taking out my main sack, I'm just going to chuck a rain cover over that. It's not going to rain tonight, so just keep a bit of the moisture off it. But this is home sweet home. I'm going to have a pretty sweet view in the morning, so going to look good other than my bag. Obviously I'll move that out of the way. But looking forward to it. I think it's going to be a really good night. First night out with it, but next, let's get the jet ball started up, get some food. I've just had some warm dinner. I'm just going to go snuggle down to my sleeping bag and hope to have a lovely night's sleep. I'll catch you guys in the morning for day 2. See you then. Morning guys, just woken up. Got a little bit of food on the go and I'm just going to start packing away my kit. And then going to look at the map, work out my route for today. Hopefully, I'm going to be doing the ridgeline that you can see behind me and head back into Brodick and meet up with a friend and head to the mainland. But I just need to check my timings, make sure I'm not late, otherwise he's going to leave without me and I'm going to have to make my own way back to Glasgow. My first mountain is a nice little one, that one there. So I'm about a third of the way up Cir Mhor and just having a look across. You can see where I stayed last night. Over there. Lovely little spot. Only a few little midges this morning. Yeah, it's just beautiful views from here. You know, it's about 20 mile visibility, a little bit of haze in the far distance, but where we do it. So made it to the top of Cir Mhor. I can see all of Arran from top here. It's amazing views. Beautiful day to go walking. Been very fortunate the last 2 days, and now I'm going to make my way down the valley over my shoulder and back to Brodick to catch up with my friend. Made my way down from the mountain just there, Came down, little path, now come down through the valley. Absolutely beautiful day. Give my hair a bit of a wash in the river, and I'm heading out back that way, behind me, out the valley, and back to Brodick. So yeah, it's been an amazing day. Just hardly seen anyone. God, come to Arran, it's worth it. So this is the end of the trip. I hope you've enjoyed watching it, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, I've been Nat. Goodbye.